Should we really be heading to your concert? We're already very late.
Whoa! Look at all the looky-loos!
Oh, hey, the VIP tour. Welcome, everyone.
What's happening? Big Boss!
Wait, you have been at the studio this whole time?
Indeed. We've been rehearsing for the big show.
We're at the big show, and you were due on stage hours ago.
Hey, Scooter, why didn't you tell us we were late?
But Sam?
I will gladly stall with yet another recitation of the Federalist Papers. However, I do fear that, like the great patriots who threw tea into Boston Harbor, the audience is beginning to revolt.
Good grief. I don't know how much longer this crowd's gonna wait.
Don't worry, Kermit. The mayhem will be there.
Good.
No idea how. Dr. Honeydew?
Oh, excuse us. Peter and I were just testing the latest innovation from Muppet Labs, the lengthy immediate motion object.
A limo.
It's pronounced limo, actually.
How fast can you get the band here?
Factoring in the current traffic conditions.
You got a minute and a half. Okay, you should get going.
But what about all of them?
You know how we feel about our band.
All right, how about backstage passes for everyone? Get moving.
Come on, gang. We got places to be and people to rock.
Please head through the alley to the Muppet Labs Automotive Lab. We'll get you VIPs to the concert ASAP.
Your route to the concert is set. Just a moment while I connect you to the concert audio. You forgot to put on your earmuffs.
Joining us on this one is someone who's like pure sunshine, Kelly Clarkson.
Ah, Janice, it's so great to be up here with you in the Electric Mayhem.